We've talked with several farmers this summer about their struggles with corn and soybean crops because of the Midwest drought. Tonight, News 8's Jonathan Fong shows us the challenges a family farm has faced with their newest business venture and the ways they are finding success. It's new tonight at 10.
So my great-great-grandfather, he bought this original 160 acres.
There's over 100 years of history in this Aledo farm, but fifth-generation farmer Kate Danner has a new mission.
And I feel like I really get the blessings of both worlds.
The family farm still grows corn, soybean, and wheat, but their new side venture is called Dandee Flowers.
Everyone got through COVID somehow, right? So how I got through COVID was I created this business.
People can visit to take photos, go through the corn maze, enjoy a picnic near the pond, and even cut their own bouquet of flowers.
So this is another dried flower, and it'll actually dry this color.
But while these flowers may be fine and dandy, these flowers are not.
Normally, I would have from here to the trees of sunflowers. And you could go out, you could take all your selfies.
Dry weather forced Kate to replant her sunflowers 6 times and use variants that cost triple the amount of money.
I really hate that we're a sunflower farm, and the worst crop I have this year are sunflowers.
But business is booming elsewhere,
So this is lemon basil, which is an herb that we grow.
as about 80% of their sales is in products. You can really smell the lemon.
Yeah.
It's business that mother Carol Longley lends a helping hand for.
You know, I certainly have enjoyed a career as a dietitian, but, you know, being able to work with my daughter and just, you know, let creativity flow, see what people really want.
And no matter how business goes, family is the invaluable thing Kate and Carol have.
I can't appreciate more the opportunity to work with her.
Yeah, and I can't express how much it means just to have, you know, such a good friend, such a good supporter.
A dandy time on a dandy little farm in Aledo. Jonathan Fong, WQAD News 8.
And you can visit Dandee Flowers 2 weeks from now on the weekends.